We got everything we need right here.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jeelovee, and welcome to my channel. Now, I know you probably are like, this is not the hair in the picture. This is the hair that you guys are looking for, so don't leave because you did not click on the wrong video. This is the right one. And here she is, my new best friend, and this will be your best friend too once you purchase her. So we got a lot to talk about. And if you do want information on this hair, well, you need to check out my previous video because it is all focused on this beauty. And it is under $50. So go check that video out, and it will be down below in the description box. So we are again partnering with Miss Ilsa Hair. If you watched my bob video, then you would know that this is the same company from that hair. And here we are again. And they sent this gorgeous wig. So I'm excited to do this review. And they sent a wig cap, and I believe, okay, yeah, it was just a wig cap in here. And it comes with two, which is very nice because, again, sometimes we forget to buy wig caps, but they saved the day for us. So let's get straight into the video. Oh my God, this is embarrassing. Like, I look like I have the smallest head in the world and I'm about to go dive in an ocean. We need to fix this now. So I had scissors, don't judge me. These are kitchen scissors, I guess. I don't know, I just found them. I had scissors, my sister used them, they're lost. So y'all know how that is. So I think I've decided to not be gluing on any more wigs or any more caps because just putting on all that glue all the time is really damaging to your edges, and I don't want to lose my edges for no videos. And if you know me, then you know my natural hair is fairly long and I am not going to jeopardize that for a wig. So I do want to introduce something called hair extension replacement tape. And this is basically tape that you can do instead of glue. And I think this is a better option. I've never used it before, but I am definitely excited to try it. And that's what we're gonna do right now on camera so we can all see how it is. Because I know a lot of people don't want to, you know, glue their wigs on and don't know how. So I wanna show or see if there's a different method to do this. Okay, so this is what one pack looks like, and I don't know if you can see, but they're two sides and they're really tiny, and it's split between the middle. And it says it's 70 pre-cut double-sided strips. So this is one strip, but yeah, this is one strip. That's how long it is. So it's very, very, very sticky, like very. So basically what you want to do is lay it on your forehead to where you want it to stick. So this is what the tape looks like. It's very tacky and it's clear, so you won't be able to see it or anything like that. This is the install. It's really cute. It's completely glueless. Like, I did not glue any of this on. This is all tape. Oh my gosh, it really came out nice. And I think I'll be doing this from now on just because it's a little, you know, better on your skin and on your head. Like, I just don't care for the glue. I did it because that was the only option that I pretty much had. But now that I discovered this, oh, that glue was in trouble. And then I was talking about like investing in BoHo, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to do it because I just don't like that glue on my skin like that, especially all the time. I get if you don't wear wigs like that and then it's your birthday and you want to, you know, have a glued on wig. I do this all the time because I do wig reviews. I can't glue this on my head all the time. So now I'm going to go in with this Hicks Edge Gel. And try to get these edges to lay down a little bit more because the foaming mousse doesn't really lay them down. Yeah, that's working. Okay, girl. Oh my gosh, I can see the damn tape right here. Okay, yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, I think I put it on. We don't want to see no tape on the head now. Yeah, I ain't signed up for that. So this is what it looks like attempting to put it in a pony or a bun. And if your tape is not really sticky, it's just not gonna work. You can see it flapping up right here. It's pretty fine right here, but right here it looks a mess. So yeah, you may have to glue it on if you want like a high bun. or maybe I'm just not putting the tape on right, because it's really not like super tight as I thought it would be. Again, maybe I'm not doing it right, but it would be really cute if you can get it to stick without using glue. Look, I may have to glue it on. Trying to stay away from it, but this is what it looks like updo. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's a lot you can do with this hair. The parting goes, I'm trying to show. The parting is actually super deep. If I don't know if I made the right part, but the parting goes like all the way back here. So you definitely have some options. I really do want to wear this in a ponytail, but I can't because I don't want to glue it on. This is a glueless video. But once this video over, oh best believe I'm just kidding. I'm not gluing it on. So during the process, I did experience just a little bit of shedding, but that's normal when you bleach your knots and when you have curly hair. But it was nothing too bad and nothing to be concerned about. That was pretty much it as far as in like a con, but that's not really a con because it's normal. And of course, I use my favorite Dollar Tree conditioner. If you watch my videos and you know this is the one. I'm not going to keep talking about it because you already know if you watch my videos. And if you don't, then you need to go check those out because I mentioned that conditioner a lot. But I did put that in here after wetting the hair. This hair was $79.89. Hey, I remember this time because if you watch my other videos, you know that I can never remember the prices. But this was $79.89. Really inexpensive, under $100, and this hair will last you quite some time, especially if you know what you're doing. But if you watch this video, then you should be able to learn. Thank you so much for always tuning in with me and always keeping up with me. I promise to just be quick with my videos and give you more videos and a variety of videos. I said videos so much. That pretty much sums up the video, and that is a wrap. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another episode of Jeelovee OnTV.